Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to switch account in TikTok. So first you have to launch the TikTok app, and in the bottom right corner there is a profile icon. Tap on that, and because here on the top right corner there's a three horizontal icon, you have to tap on that as well. And on the setting and privacy on the bottom, select that option. So we have to scroll all the way to the down, and that says switch account right here. So tap on that option, and for that we can see there's two account. So simply you need to tap on the plus button which is on the bottom to switch accounts, and you can sign up for TikTok if you don't have an account, or if you already have an account. And on the bottom you can see there's a login option. You can simply tap on that, and you can also log in with all these options which is on the screen. So that is how you can switch account, and after that you made an account or log into an account. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.